Good morning, everyone. Don Gillis with Emerson. I'm in Sydney, Ohio at the Copeland plant. I wanted to talk about some of the ways that our scroll compressors helped years ago in the design of re-expansion gas and that discharge gas coming back into the scroll set and possibly having it run backwards and what have you. On the original design, we had some issues. Copeland had issues, and they came up with a design, and there's a lot of different styles and shapes, and depending on the model of the compressor. This is just one, and I'll show you others as we come on down, do more of these. But here's our discharge port that's brazed right onto the compressor at the factory, and there would be a washer that would go in here, okay, and this disc goes in here. And this would be a style for air conditioning, by the way, so high pressure. And that washer in there, if there should be discharge gas that tries to go back, that washer would push up against these holes and prevent it to cause any re-expansion gas back into the compressor, into the scroll set, which makes it inefficient, obviously, and impacts the compression ratio. It also prevents the scroll from possibly running backwards, or a lot of noise on shutdown, if you will. So that is one design of a check valve, if you've never seen one, in the scroll. Again, you've got your discharge port there, if you didn't know. And this is pretty standard on the starting of a lot of this would be an air conditioning application. So just to let you know there. So there'd be in some applications, you're going to have a spring in here, actually pushing up against that washer, in between the washer and the disc, or I take that back, the washer, you'd have the spring, the washer, and then the disc. Okay, this is the air conditioning application. I'm just missing that washer. I misplaced it. I usually pass things like this out around the classroom so people, students, technicians can see these kind of things in the classroom. It helps them get a visual of what's going on. Again, a lot of people don't have the benefits that we do here at Emerson. That's part of my job, is tear compressors down pretty much all the time. So I get to see these things. So hopefully you got something out of that. Again, a check valve on an air conditioning compressor, scroll compressor. So I'll have more of this kind of things moving on down the line. So that's your fun fact for today. If you're on call, please be careful this weekend. All right. And share the knowledge, and keep trying to promote the trades if you would. If you have a family member or a friend that you would like to get into the industry, just remember them. Keep in mind that if they apply themselves right, the sky's the limit. And they would never have to be worried about being laid off ever again. So it's a great opportunity for somebody out there. Also want to give my good friend, co-worker up in Ontario, Canada, Mr. Trevor Matthews. I've been seeing a lot of his videos and things that he brings up and talks about, and he's doing a fantastic job. And I just want to acknowledge that Trevor's a huge asset to Emerson, and he's been a real inspiration to a lot of folks, and including myself. And so kudos to Trevor up there and everyone else that's on the team that's helping that all become possible. So I'm Don Gillis with Emerson. I will leave you with that, and I will see you next week. Take care, everyone. Bye.